Welcome back, guys. So today I'm doing another ube breakfast for you guys. I will be making my ube French toast. It's something I made for Mother's Day if you follow me on Instagram. And I made this because my mom loves French toast. She loves ube. And you know, it's still Asian American Pacific Islander Heritage Month. So I thought, why not? I'll still do it for the month of May. So really what it is a ube cream cheese filled French toast. So I have all my ingredients in front of me. You'll see the ingredients listed below in the description, so don't worry about that, but I'm gonna get started. First thing you're gonna do is make the ube cream cheese. So what you need is some softened cream cheese like I have here. Softened cream cheese, a whole thing of it, some ube jam, sugar, and your ube extract. And then you're just gonna mix it. Once that's nice and blended together and creamy, you're done. I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, so now we're gonna make the batter for the French toast. You know, the stuff you take your bread and you dip it in. So I have all my ingredients in front of me here. Okay, we're gonna do, you know, the base is eggs, so we're gonna do some eggs. Milk. Some cinnamon. And sugar. And again, with more ube extract. This will give the outside of your bread, of your toast, a nice purple hue and flavor. So you're just going to whisk that nice and purple again. Look at that. I guess it's kind of hard to tell because my bowl is pink, but just gonna whisk that together. Okay, so once you've made your batter and your cream cheese, you're ready to fill up your toast. I'm using this brioche style bread that I just got from a local Safeway. You could also use actual brioche loaves. They make those as well. Both would work perfectly fine. These are sweeter breads, thicker. That's why I personally use these for French toast. If you only have white bread or something, I'm sure you could use it too. Might not be as sweet, but it'll do the job. Okay, so this entire loaf here, you're gonna probably use the whole thing for the amount of cream cheese and batter you have, which comes out to about like 6 French toast pieces, which, because they're really thick, you're gonna wanna cut in half anyway, so you could easily feed like 6 to 8 people, I think, including little children like my own. So I'm going to fill these up now. I like to use a spoon. I would say you're gonna use about, that was like a heaping tablespoonful of the cream cheese mixture. Look how pretty it is inside the bread. I'm just gonna sandwich them. So this is the part where you just dip your your toast into your batter. So cover your toast in your batter and then just lay it on your griddle. If you don't have a griddle, that's okay. You could use just a frying pan. Same idea. You would just be doing them one by one, but I'm covering the toast all over and I'm just laying them flat. Okay, so once all your French toast is done, you know it's a little brown on both sides, but you could still see the purple. I like to top them off before serving them. I'm gonna cut them up in front of you here. Look at that, guys. Check that out. Ooh, it's steaming too. So, you know, just a couple of slices there. I'm just gonna cut them all up so you can see. And I'm gonna put the cream cheese sides up. So some of my favorite toppings for this are toasted coconut, which I just put coconut flakes in the oven for about 5 minutes till they got nice and brown. Condensed milk and some powdered sugar. Let's do the condensed milk. I got this condensed milk with a little nozzle, little spout, so nice drizzle. And then you're gonna just top it with your coconut. And you could serve this French toast like the way it is. You don't want it super, super, super sweet. You can serve it just the way I have it in front of me. We like it with syrup still, like we like the, you know, just not pure maple, but you know, just like pancake syrup. You do coconut syrup, and that would also be a really good option on this. So there you have it, guys. This is my ube cream cheese filled French toast. Enjoy. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe to our channel. I'll be doing more food videos. Probably try to do them every other week or so. So, you know, stay tuned for more. Thanks, guys. Bye.